Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and tap on system languages at the top. So now we have to tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll choose Greek. Choose the region if you can. And as you can see, the Greek language in my case has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the very first position. Let's tap on change. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on change. And we've got English applied. If you'd like to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon in the right. Tap on remove. And we've got only one language set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.